Welcome to this Q&A session about COVID-19 pandemic impact on real estate market and mortgage financing. Hi, this is Roxana Kashandish, Operations Manager at Brian Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team. And here with me today are Greg Kalanjian, Director and Mortgage Broker at Team Choice with Mortgage Outlet, and Brian Khatambakhsh, Realtor and Team Lead with Remax Realty Specialist Brokerage.
Everyone.
Welcome to you, gentlemen. Thanks for being here today.
Yep.
Thanks for having us.
So we decided to record these Q&A sessions to answer some of the common questions we get from our clients and other people regarding the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on real estate and mortgage financing. The next question is, how can I use my home equity to my advantage during this pandemic?
This is something I really encourage, even though it looks like you're incurring more debt, but maybe. So if you have an equity on your home, you bought your house some time ago, and you believe right now there's some access to equity there. Again, guys, we're facing an unknown, and we know the real timeline for this is probably 1.5 to 2 years until we figure out a vaccine or a cure. So until then, going back to work even, we don't know exactly how this is going to look. So if you have access to equity on your home, I strongly recommend maybe get it out as an equity line or have access to it as an equity line. So a credit line as an equity on the home. But basically when you're not paying any interest. There might be a bit of a cost to get it because, legal costs and so on. But again, it gives you that security in case you lose a job tomorrow. So you have that, because you're not going to be able to do that after you lose your job or after your income has substantially went down. You can only get that currently when you still have an income, you still have a job. So if you believe you do and you're not so sure how the future is going to look, you don't have a good savings to rely on, it's a great idea to look into getting a credit line. Or if you have already racked up some debts, it's there. And imagine how bad it's going to be when you lose your job. So get a credit line or increase your mortgage a little bit, have that safety net to carry you on until this thing is properly over. Yeah.
Right. Okay, Brian, did you have anything to add to that?
No, it's just probably there is an initial cost to get that line of credit registered. But after that, if they keep it every month, there is no payment, is there?
No, if you don't use it, there's no payment. Yeah, there's a cost to everything. I mean, there's a bigger cost if you can't pay, if you own a home and you cannot even afford paying your mortgage, or you're paying car payments or other leases. So there's a cost to get it. Again, whatever it costs you $1,000 sometimes to get $300,000-$400,000 access to it, right? So, but once you have it for life. As long as you own that property, you have it for always. Again, sometimes just getting it and consolidating some other debts, the cost incurred is offset by the higher interest you were paying on credit cards or other loans you have. So definitely, I think it's worth the cost to have that access to equity during uncertain times.
Great. Okay. Thank you very much, gentlemen. It was a very informative session. Thank you so much. To watch other sessions of my interview with Greg and Brian, please go to Brian Khatambakhsh YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.